Good morning, good afternoon, learners. Oh, I'm so excited for another math lesson. And today's topic is strategies to add and subtract within 20. Now, here's the one thing that I like, okay? When I'm trying to add and subtract within 20, I want to be really flexible and really fluent when it comes to adding and subtracting. One of the ways I do that is I draw this placemat with these 4 empty spaces. The reason I do that is when I look at this equation, 13 minus 7 equals something. To build my flexibility, to build my fluency, I want to learn and develop as many different strategies as I can to tackle this problem. The reason is, what if I get stuck? I look at 13 minus 7, I don't know what to do. If I can build different strategies, then when I do get stuck, I know there's more than one way to solve it. Like, how awesome is that? So today I'm going to model 4 different ways, strategies we can use to subtract 13, take away 7. All right, are we ready? Here's my first one. I'm going to look at 13 take away 7 equals, I don't know. Well, I have a hard time with taking 7 from 13, so I need to do something right now. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my 7 and I'm going to break it into a 3 and 4 ones. Well, now I see something. I know 13 take away 3 is equal to 10. I also know 10 take away 4 is equal to 6. So 13 take away 7 is equal to 6. That's my first strategy. Like I said before, it's really nice to have a tool belt of all these different strategies in case this one doesn't work for me. I have another, and here's my other one. I love to use a number line as a tool to help me add or subtract. In this case, I'm going to use the number line and add up from 7 to get to 13. So always looking for a friendly number. Friendliest number I can think of is if I hop 3 and I get to 10. How many more hops do I need to get to 13? 3 more hops gets me to 13. What's 3 and 3 more? 6. So 13 take away 7 is equal to 6. Okay, got another one. Now in this problem, I broke the 7 apart. Well, I have another option that I can do. When I'm looking at 13 take away 7 equals something, I also can break apart the 13 to help me subtract 7. So watch what I do. I take the 13 and I create one group of 10 and 3 ones. Now I can take 7 away. Well, I can't take 7 from 3, but I can take 7 from 10. 10 take away 7 is equal to 3. And then I just add the 3 that's left over. 3 plus 3 is 6. So 13 take away 7 is 6. Now, I have one last strategy. Sometimes when I'm really stuck, it's really good for me to draw it out and to sort of build it. Now, I don't have blocks with me, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw my thinking using base 10 blocks. So 13 take away 7 equals something. Well, my 13 has 1 10 and 3 ones. My 7 is 7 ones. Okay, now, can I take 7 ones from 3 ones? No, I can't. So, what could I do to get more ones? Well, I could take this 10 and I could fair trade it. I could trade it in for 10 ones. Let's do that. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 ones, and my other 3 ones. Okay. These 7 ones, okay, I'm going to take them now from my 13 ones that I have. So let's do this together. I'm going to take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, I'm taking those out. What am I left with? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ones. So again, I know that 13 take away 7 leaves me with 6. So really important here. Whenever I have an equation, an adding and subtracting equation, I know that if I look at it and I'm stuck, I can go to more than one strategy to try to work through that problem. That's where my flexibility comes from. If this doesn't work for me, I hop to this one. If that doesn't work for me, I build it and draw it. That doesn't work, then I break apart and I subtract those place values. All right, I want you now, when you're getting questions, equations within 20, I want you to draw a placemat and tell yourself, I know 4 different ways to solve this, and try them. Okay, till next time.